Hello everyone. First of all, I wish you all a very happy new year 2022. May all your dreams, goals and wishes come true in this year. I wish you all success for this year. There's one important activity which I want to talk to you about, which I did just one day before the new year. Okay, is setting up goals with clear-cut action plans. Okay, which is what I want you all to do as well. Okay, so goals means what? Most of us, right, when we talk about goals, we always focus on the money aspect, financial aspect alone. But what I want to emphasize is goals on various aspects of life, right? Like financial goals, career goals, maybe business goals, health goals, relationship goals, family, friends, various aspects of life. What is that you want to achieve? What is that you want to actually, how is the progress that you want to have for the year 2022? Put down in a A4 sheet. Okay, don't just think about it. I want you to take a piece of paper, write down all the goals in various areas of your life. Okay, once you list down all the goals that you want to achieve for the year 2022, then the next important step is action plans. What are the activities that you are going to do, that you are planning to do in order to achieve those dreams in that particular area? Okay, put down them in as much detail as possible, because the more detailed plan you put down in a paper, the more clarity you get, okay, which is going to give you a step-by-step process, okay, activities that you want to do in order to achieve those goals. And so when you actually plan, we all know that when we plan things more detailed manner, the amount of work that we can do or we can complete is very, very high. Okay, so put some time, okay, put a lot of effort and try to actually be as detailed as possible, which is going to help you for the whole year. Okay, so list down all the activities. It could be on health, career, wealth, okay, anything. All the activities that you want to do in order to achieve those goals in that particular area of your life. Once you do that, create a time deadline, okay, create a timeline. Because if you say that, okay, I want to do this, okay, without a deadline, you know that it's going to get postponed, okay, and you're not going to complete on time. So have a timeline. So in the next 1 month, I'm going to do all these things. In the next 3 months, I'm going to do these activities like that. So which will help you, okay, track your activities and along the timeline. So by the end of 2022, end of this, right, the amount of work or amount of progress that you're going to have is going to be immense. So first is setting up the goals. Second one is setting up the action plans. And the third one is having a proper deadlines, okay, to achieve those goals. Have that in place, okay, and you will have a lot of clarity and your progress can be immense. So keep doing that, okay, and I wish you all success for the year 2022. Okay, I'll be coming up with more videos on trading and also on the goals part. Okay, till that particular point, till that, take care and have a great day.